Yo, what is up, everybody? Wellesley back here with another awesome video for you guys. Alright, so today we're going to be meeting up with one of my friends. We're going to be doing a little bit, not necessarily a car review because we really can't be in like the car together with all this social distancing stuff going on. But what I am going to do for him, just to kind of get both of us out of the house, is I'm just going to be putting together like a quick, kind of similar to like the Tesla video and the Jeep video that I have on my channel. I'll link that below. Just get some cool shots of his car, fly the drone a little bit, just something creative, you know, on my end that I could throw together for him that he could have of his truck, because he's a big car enthusiast like me as well. So always willing to help out my friends, always willing to make awesome videos. So that's exactly what we're gonna do in this one. And so we'll see you guys when we get to where I gotta go. Woo! All right, y'all, so we're here at the location. About to show you guys the car right now. Boom. Big Red. That's the owner right here. That's the owner right here. This is Anthony, one of my good friends.
How you doing, guys?
Used to golf together and all that fun stuff. Stayed in touch throughout high school and college. So yeah, many years. All right, so I'm gonna have Anthony give a rundown of kind of the mods he's done to his car, and then we'll enjoy some B-roll footage of the video I'm gonna make for him.
Absolutely. Woo! So starting off, this truck came all chrome wheels, chrome badges, chrome everything. I'm not a fan of chrome. I absolutely hate chrome. So I'm doing a blackout build. I did the black badges, did them all around, the front, the back, obviously the other side. I'm going to do the exhaust tips. As you can tell, those are also chrome. The wheels, the running boards, I haven't decided yet what's going to happen with those. It might be just going bye-bye in general.
Yeah, and his exhaust, by the way, is so loud. You could always hear him coming down from the corner of the block. Oh, you guys started. Ooh!
Look out!
Look out!
My neighbors are not happy.
My neighbors hate me.
Let's see, what else have I done? I'm already on a different set of wheels because the stock tires, you know, took a crap after 40,000 miles. I put on sport mirrors instead of the stock mirrors because they were black. Put on color matching mirrors with the turn signals in them. Got an aftermarket bed cover. That's it so far.
Nice. You raced for pink slips yet or what?
No. Not yet.
No, not yet?
Not yet. Not yet. Once everything's done, I'll start messing with the motor.
Nice. So what else? What are your future plans for this car then?
Future plans, I'm definitely going to get some different wheels. It's sitting on 20s now. I like to stay at 20s. I want to go up to 35s because right now they're wrapped in 33s. The wheels are going to be black, obviously.
Oh yeah.
I just got to find the right set for the right price.
Right. I feel you on that for sure.
I'm going to end up doing matching tints on all 4 windows, matching the rear.
Yeah. Mandatory. Limo tint, or are you just going to match them?
I'm going to match them.
Oh, come on,
just
man.
Gonna match them. I don't want to go overkill.
You don't want those cops out there to start pulling you over?
No, definitely not. And eventually I'm gonna start looking into suspension lifts all around. I have a leveling kit on there now. It's just a 2.5-inch leveling kit, so the truck is riding level, obviously. And headlights and taillights.
Headlights and
taillights. Those are gonna be smoked out. I already got a couple options I'm pricing out now.
Nice.
I figure by the end of the summer, she should be looking pretty good.
End of the summer's the deadline. Nice.
Summer's the deadline. I'm thinking August, maybe September.
Nice, man. That's sick. This thing's super sharp. It's a very sharp car. I like it. Truck, car, whatever you want to call it.
I mean, this thing has been through some rides, and she still rides like she's brand new.
Yeah, because you bought her brand new, you said, right?
Brand new 3 years ago. Almost 4.
Nice. 71,000 miles?
71,000. I drove it off the lot with 7 miles on it.
Dang, man. Just running around with this thing.
Running around like crazy. You know, you gotta do those things.
Hey, gotta enjoy. If you buy it and it's yours,
absolutely.
Drive the heck out of it, man.
Absolutely.
This thing's so sweet, though.
Oh, I'm also gonna look at the sound systems. Sound systems are probably
the
next thing.
Gotta be like my car, get it bumping.
I can fit a whole box. I can fit 2 12s in a box underneath the rear seat. So
nice.
That's kind of.
Your neighbors are really gonna hate you then.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Just leave it all the way cranked up when you remote start. You get the exhaust and the sound going at the same time.
That would not be good. But the chrome looks good. It really does, but I'm not a fan of it. That's all.
Yeah, it's not for everybody, you know.
No,
especially the younger people like us. We like the blacked out look, man.
Absolutely. But once I get the tints on and then get the black wheels,
Yeah, I mean, you had the chrome for 70,000 miles. The next 70,000's got to be all blacked out.
Absolutely. Then I'll figure out something else to do after that.
Right? You got to get a car wrap, man.
No.
Just like tall guy that I showed you.
No.
Get the chrome, the gold wrap. It's only like 3 G's.
Only, yeah. That's the other good thing is every mod that I've done on this, I'm not even over like $500.
Really?
No.
Dang.
The mirrors were 100. Leveling kit was 150. And the running boards. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm about $500. The exhaust was about 200.
Gotcha. Nice.
So,
You do everything yourself?
I did the running boards myself, the cover myself, the mirrors myself, the leveling kit, and the exhaust I put out in the shop.
Nice. That's awesome, especially when you do it yourself.
Feels good.
That nice sweat equity in it.
Feels real good.
Yeah, it's awesome. Cool. Got anything else?
I don't think so. I'm ready to get rolling here.
Nice. All right. Well, like you said, we're about to get rolling here. We're gonna get some awesome detailed shots, some cinematic shots, even some drone shots. So we definitely throwing something cool together at the end of this video, starting right about now. You heard it from him, right now. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much to Anthony for taking the time out your day to let me film your car. Stay tuned for that video and for all my future ones. If you like what I'm doing here, please like this video. And if you want to keep supporting me and follow along my journey and making this awesome content, please smash that subscribe button. And we will see you guys in the next one. Take care, y'all.